Types of houses. Vocabulary Part 1.
An apartment or flat is your choice if you are a city person or you do not have enough money to buy a house. You will have many neighbours, but you will not know any of them. A condominium is your choice when you have not saved enough money to buy a townhouse. A townhouse is your choice if you want to combine living in a house and living in a city. You may confuse your townhouse with your neighbour's house, as they often look the same. A semi-detached house is your choice if you are not a greedy person and can share one wall of your house with your neighbours. A cabin is your choice if you are a lone wolf in a forest or mountains. A palace is your choice if you are a king or queen, or at least a prince or princess. A castle is your choice if you are a king or queen, or at least a prince or princess, and you have a lot of enemies.